Grand Rising friends. I woke up yesterday at like 10:30 p.m. Um, so I didn't get to like do much after my nap. So it's a brand new day here at this beautiful location. Oh, it's not picking up how pretty it is outside. There we go. So it's a brand new day, and it looks like we might get a little bit of rain in, which is fine. It is about 8 o'clock, and what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and start getting my day started. I'm wearing another Temu outfit, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. And so I'll just be able to chill. I think I'm gonna go walk the beach a bit. I still haven't had breakfast, so I'm gonna do that actually. Actually, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let me go ahead and just jump in the shower, get my life going, and then you guys will just, join me out in these streets, okay? So let me get life going. But this is the look for today. It is so comfortable. I wore it already, but maybe like an hour, 2 hours for dinner one night. And this is gonna be the look for the entire day. It's a little gloomy out. I don't know if we're gonna get rain. Rain has been projected almost like every day that I've been here, and you get like the little baby showers every now and again, or just like that light drizzle. But yesterday, it kind of did rain pretty hard for maybe like an hour or so, but it's still pretty early. I don't even think it's 10 o'clock yet, y'all. Let me check, sorry. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock, it's 9:02. So yeah, it's time for me to get some breakfast. I am hungry. The whole time I've been here, I haven't let like housekeeping come in. I've had like the do not disturb thing this whole time because I didn't really need anybody to come and like zhuzh up the place or anything, but I've been here long enough, so I'm like, okay, move my stuff around so they can come in and give me fresh towels and things like that. So I'm gonna be out of the room for a hot minute, which this has been like my relaxation space. I know some people back on like Instagram and stuff are like, what have you been doing? And to be honest, like I've just been relaxing, y'all. It's been so nice to just like not have anything scheduled, to just listen to my body. If I'm sleepy, just go to sleep. If I'm hungry, just get up and eat. I can go on as many walks as I want to. And I still haven't like really explored a lot of the little area right here because it opens up, like 5 o'clock, and that might run into my midday nap. But I'm gonna try my best. I'm still, I still have like what, 4 or 5 days like here at this particular location. So I'm gonna still, venture out as much as I want to while I'm here. But I think I said it earlier in the video, like when the live didn't work on YouTube, I'm really debating. I think I'm gonna extend my stay out here, just because like if I go back to Virginia and Tamara's not ready, then I'll just be sitting in my sister's house all sad, not being able to really do anything. I'll have my Jeep, but my home is Tamara, so I would literally just kind of like be stationary, and that's not something that I want. So I'm thinking I'm gonna extend my stay out here. I will lose my first class seats, which I'm like, that's like really the only downside about extending my stay out here is that literally I would lose my first class seats. I would have to fly back like economy and like pray that when I get there I'll be able to like maybe do an upgrade. So that's kind of like what I'm struggling with right now, just kind of like, do you want to do this 25+ hour flight like just sitting upright, or do you want to be like Fat Joe and be able to lean back? So I don't know, it is like a crazy toss-up. All right friends, I have my Circle K bag just in case I decide to buy anything, with my journal in there. I have my umbrella, water bottle as my weapon of choice. Keep that thing full and you just swing it. But no, I know some people probably have questions like, so when I first got here, I went and grabbed, went and like to a little swap meet thingy, and I got some mace, and I also have a cute little pink taser. Not that I need it, but it's just that I always have one of those with me when I'm in the States. So, you know, just to keep the whole comfortable vibe going, I just went ahead and got me some mace and a taser while I'm here. So, yep, we are ready to hit these streets. All right, friends, breakfast was delicious. I was able to journal, and man, that was a nice little journal entry. So now I'm just walking these streets. It is still like hardcore sunny out, but I do have my umbrella just in case it gets too hot for my liking. It's a Galleria over here, but that doesn't open up until 12 o'clock. And I think it's, let me check, it's 10:35 right now. And I'm gonna try and stay out as long as I can. I might just go ahead and walk to the beach or walk on the beach. I don't know if they've already come inside to clean up my space. Probably not. And I don't want to go there and, you know, they're cleaning and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just walk a bit and stay out as long as I can. But it is warm. It's very warm out here. You see I'm already starting to glisten a bit, but yeah. For the ladies' bathroom. And here's the men's bathroom. It works. I had to call my sister. I found 3 different hats that I liked. They were all on sale for under $30, and then they had 30% off, and then they give you a military discount. So I called her and she helped me pick this one out. I just love having sisters and just being able to pick up the phone and video chat them whenever. It doesn't matter what time it is, they'll pick up, and they also do the same thing to me. So I'll just be returning the favor. Yep. Now I have some coverage for my face. I do wear a moisturizer with the SPF 30 in it, but let me tell y'all, this sun is so different. So this is nice, being able to have my little shade. I don't feel so exposed. I'm not gonna go to the beach just yet. I think I have like 20 minutes until that big Galleria opens. So I'm gonna go get me, I don't know if I want like an iced coffee. I probably don't need it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get me an iced coffee, sit down a bit at this cute little cafe, and then we can walk inside the big, like, expensive little Galleria. Let me catch this crosswalk. How much time we got? I'm headed back to my room. I'm gonna go check and see if my room has been straightened up. If so, I'm gonna drop some things off and then make my way to the beach. I think I am getting tired, and it's a little after 12. My nap time is normally like around 1-2 o'clock, but sleep is kind of hitting me hard. But I do want to try and stay up as long as I can today. So let's go back to the room and check some things out. It's like 12 something and they haven't cleaned the room. I'm gonna call the front desk see what time they normally clean, because like I actually just got like really tired and I wanted to take a nap. Dang it. So let me see what time they normally straighten up, because I want my room back. So they normally do it like around 2 o'clock. So the lady was like, well, I can go ahead and request now. And I'm like, I'm sorry, I didn't know. You know, I'm just thinking like regular hotels, like normally, you know, you see them like first thing in the morning. But how do you put this hat on? Dang it, y'all. Alright, so we finna go back outside. I guess it's meant for me to go down to the beach, y'all. So let's refill my water bottle and we finna go down. We finna go down to this beach. I lied, y'all. It's too hot outside, so I'm setting up shop out here and I'm gonna start editing a video. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna finish editing it while I'm sitting here, but at least I can start. So that is what I'm gonna do. It is a new day and I just got finished editing a video for you guys. But you know, I didn't finish last night. Like, I started the video yesterday and I didn't finish it because I ended up going to sleep and then waking up, you know, like around 8 or 9 o'clock. And, you know, it was just too late to do anything yet again. But I'm okay with that, to be honest. What I wanted to say, like, I am having a difficult time trying to figure out that vacation like work balance. And you know, I'm trying to figure out like a good schedule as far as like filming and then editing and then putting the videos out. You know, what I was doing prior was Sunday and Wednesday videos, and I'm not sure if I'm just gonna push it to one video a week, but I'm like, I'm struggling. You know, this heat and of course the time difference is just like really doing crazy things to my body. Like, prior to coming here, you know, I was in Virginia, and springtime, wintertime, we did not have any days that was like over 65, 66 degrees. And then coming here, and it's like 80 plus degrees all the time, humidity, the sun is like all up in your face. And I'm technically like in the future. I'm like a day and hours ahead of, you know, what I'm used to back in Virginia. And it is like really weighing on my body, and I'm not sleeping through the night. I'm sleeping midday, taking these naps to try and like recoup from being up at like 3 o'clock in the morning, and not being able to go back to sleep. So I'm just asking for like a little bit of patience and just kind of like bear with me while I'm here in Guam trying to figure, you know, this vacation work-life balance out. I'm over here trying, friends, but like living in the future is like kicking my butt right now. So hopefully, you know, things, you know, kind of like feel normal for me sometime, you know, this week. But if not, you know, I'll just keep conversing with you guys, of course, on that community tab, and you might see a little bit more of those shorts versus, you know, longer vlogs. But I really do appreciate you all the time for tuning in to find out where is Brittany. I be here, but I'm just trying to figure out, you know, how to live in the future. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Welcome to Two Lovers Point. The legend of Two Lovers Point is a timeless, bittersweet tale of eternal love. Long ago, during the Spanish colonial era, there lived a family who owned a great deal of land and were highly respected in the community. The father was a wealthy Spanish businessman, and the mother was the daughter of a great Chamorro chief. Their oldest daughter was a beautiful young woman, admired by all for her natural charm. One day, the girl discovered that her father had arranged for her to wed a powerful Spanish captain. She was so distraught that she ran away and kept running away until she found herself on a secluded and peaceful shore. There on the shore, she met a young man from a modest Chamorro family. He was a gentleman with a strong build, and she fell in love with him under the moonlight. She returned home with a promise to see him again. When the girl's father learned of the two lovers, he became angry and ordered her to marry the Spanish captain at once. However, that day at sundown, she slipped away and once again met her Chamorro lover. The girl's father, the Spanish captain, and a group of Spanish soldiers pursued the lovers up to the high cliff above Tumon Bay. The couple found themselves trapped between the edge of the cliff and the approaching soldiers. All the young man could do was warn them to stay back. The father ordered the soldiers to halt. The lovers then tied their long black hair together into a single knot. They looked deeply into each other's eyes and kissed for the final time. Then they leaped over the long, steep cliff into the roaring waters below. Her father and all who remained rushed to the edge and stared in great anguish at the ocean below. The lovers were never seen again, and from that day on, the towering cliff became forever known as Two Lovers Point.
I can feel